Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have 12 to the power of x all equal to 36. So for us to start, let's take the log of both sides. We have log of 12 to the power of x all equal to log of 36. But when we have log of a to the power of b, this is the same as b times log of a. So this will become s times log of 12 to be equal to log of 36. So let's divide both sides by log of 12. We have x to be equal to log of 36 all over log of 12. But 36 equals to 12 times 3. So we'll be replacing this 36 with this. We have x to be equal to log of 12 times 3 all over log of 12. But from logarithm rule, when we have log of a times b, this is the same as log of a plus log of b. So we have x to be equal to log of 12 plus log of 3 all over log of 12. So x is equal to log of 12 over log of 12 plus log of 3 over log of 12. X to be equal to this, cancel this, we have 1 plus log of 3 all over log of 12. So we can split 12 to be equal to 4 times 3. So our x is equal to 1 plus log of 3 all over log of 4 times 3. So x is equal to 1 plus log of 3 over log of 4 plus log of 3. We can't actually log of 3 over log of 4 plus 1 over log of 3. So this is wrong. But when we have a over b, we can actually take the reciprocate and it will become 1 over b over a. So we'll swap the numerator and the denominator. So when we apply this here, x will then become, we have x to be equal to 1 plus 1 over log 4 plus log 3 all over log of 3. So x is equal to 1 plus 1 all over, we can now split this into 2 to have log of 4 over log of 3 plus log of 3 over log of 3. So our x will be equal to 1 plus 1 over log of 4 over log of 3 plus this cancel out, we have plus 1. When we have log of a over b, this implies log to base b of a. So our x is equal to 1 plus 1 over log to base 3 of 4 plus 1. So we have x to be equal to 1. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So we have 1 over 1 plus we have 1 over log to base 3 of 4 plus 1. So we have x to be equal to, when we simplify this, our denominator will be log to base 3 of 4 plus 1. So this divided by 1 is 1 times 1. We have log to base 3 of 4 plus 1. And this divided by this is 1 times 1. We have plus 1. We have x to be equal to log to base 3 of 4 plus 1 plus 1, or over log to base 3 of 4 plus 1. So our x is equal to log to base 3 of 4 plus, we have 1 plus 1 here, which is 2, or over log to base 3 of 4 plus 2. So we can rewrite this as x to be equal to 2 plus log to base 3 of 4, or over 1 plus log to base 3 of 4. So from here we have this constant 2 here, and we have constant 1 here. We can convert this constant 2 into log as log to base 3 of 3 to all to the power of 2. And for this one here, we can convert it to log as log to base 3 of 3. So we have this. So we'll be replacing this 2 with this, and we'll replace this one with this. So our x will be equal to log to base 3 of 3 to the power of 2 plus log to base 3 of 4, all over log to base 3 of 3 plus log to base 3 of 4. So simplifying further, we'll have x to be equal to, since they are adding, so and they have the same base, we then have log 2 base 3 of 3 squared times 4, all over log to base 3 of 3 times 4. Our x is equal to log to base 3 of, we have 3 squared, which is 9 times 4, all over log to base 3, we have 3 times 4, which is 12. So we have x to be equal to log to base 3 of 36, all over log to base 3 of 12. Our x is equal to log 36 over log 12. So our x is equal to log to base 12 of 36, and x is equal to log to base 12 of 6 to the power of 2. So we'll conclude that x is equal to 2 times log to base 12 of 6. Thank you for watching Esther Equation Corner. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.